Good morning, everybody. This is Marilyn. Do we have any audio? Yes, thank you. Good morning, everybody. This is Marilyn, and it's welcome to my world. Time it's almost 8:30 on the 3rd of December. This is a Thursday. So, I know some of you probably get a little tired of me nagging and nagging and nagging about the news, but if you had a chart of the US dollar and or the euro this morning, um maybe now you know why. It bounced completely off the chart on both of those, and now it's retracing, but those were huge moves. When that happens and you don't have an awareness of what's the news is or about to be, that wasn't just exactly uh, off of an announcement, but it's kind of a pre thing. They're supposed to at 8:30 have this press conference. This is an ECB, so they're going to make a formal announcement. But the thing is, they've already been at negative interest rates. So I'm just having a difficult time. They are now, instead of having them negative 20 basis points, they're making them negative 30 basis points. So this is part of their genius of their so-called quantitative easing. We'll see. Mrs. Yellen is supposed to be testifying today at 10 o'clock. We'll see what she has to say. And right now at 8:30 are the unemployment claims. And I don't have those numbers quite yet. So this will get probably pretty volatile between today and tomorrow. The OPEC boys are signaling, the Saudis are signaling that if they can get other producers outside the cartel to drop their production, that they would follow. I mean, that's what they say. We'll see. If they do, it will drive the price of oil up, or at least that's the theory. Today, in spite of the news, one of the things, I know we've got some new people that are trying to learn how to trade the Apex system. And yesterday and the day before, we've had Apex on crude oil with these red E's. And according to the rules, we wait for the second E to trade. Doesn't mean you can't. It means it's going to be safer and you can consider the trend changed. We're trading above settlement. We've got our second green E, so the trend is now to the upside on crude oil. And after yesterday, that's kind of to be expected because it really took a pretty good hit yesterday. Brent went 5 cents below the lowest it's been for, I don't know, the last 3 months or something. So I had some questions in here about stops and take profits, and I posted my how I basically do it. The numbers are a little bit different that I use for TF, because on TF, on those TF sling candles, I'm only looking for a 15 tick profit. However, if the market's moving very fast, I will move that down or up, as the case may be, and try to get another few ticks out of the thing if it's in a trend. And sometimes, if you notice, when it gets in a trend, it'll put 2 of those wicked candles in a row up, And so when I see it doing that, I'll pull my take profit for a little bit more profit because that's a pretty strong signal. And I start TF with a 15 tick. I think it's a 15 tick stop loss and a 15. Let me double check that for you because I go back and forth. Yeah, I have it set at a 20 tick stop loss, and I move that down as soon as I'm filled, and a 15 tick take profit. So I hope that helps. Uh, if you're new to this, these markets tick in different sizes and different dollar values. The very best place to get absolute correct information on that is the CME website, and I suggest everybody have that website bookmarked. It's not the easiest one on the planet to use, but the information on that is solid. The CME is it's the old Chicago Mercantile Exchange, but it is now the CME Group, and that's where our trades. This is the clearinghouse for Globex, which these markets that trade around the clock electronically, that's where, I mean, that is the oracle. So we've got the VIX closed yesterday almost at 16. We'll see what happens here because these indices, all four of them, are just dropping and dropping and dropping. And the euro is climbing and climbing and climbing. So there's a lot of volatility here. Anyway, I will come back on about noon and go over this, whatever trades we may have had, and I will see you then. This has been my view from my world in Apex land, brought to you by Apex Investing.